Ukraine weapons tracker said on Twitter that Ukraine shot down a so-called cartograph drone of the Russian forces using a Buk M1 SAM system. The video footage, shared on Telegram and also on by multiple war analysis accounts on Twitter, shows a rocket being launched into the sky and leaving behind a long trail of white smoke. As the rocket gets further into the distance, it eventually strikes a Russian drone and creates a small blast. The stream of white smoke immediately ends, and both the rocket and the drone fall to the ground. The footage wasn't dissimilar to a clip shared on Twitter on July, which showed the same Ukrainian Buk M1 SAM system being used in combat. Ukrainian sources said that the footage showed a Russian drone being taken out by the ammunition. Photographs of the latest wreckage were also shared online and reposted by Ukraine Weapons Tracker. The photographs include close-up shots of the remains of the rocket and the drone. The images also revealed that the Russian drone was held together using plastic zip ties, an indication that Russian soldiers continue to repair broken equipment using whatever parts they can find on the battlefield. It's not the first time that a Russian drone has been taken apart by Ukrainian soldiers. In April, video footage released by the Ukrainian Ministry of Defense showed a Ukrainian soldier taking apart a captured Russian drone. It quickly went viral as the Ukrainian soldier revealed how the drone was held together using duct tape. A consumer-level DSLR camera was also fitted inside of the drone, and the fuel tank's cap was replaced with a bottle cap. The cartograph drone is a secret UAV used by the Russian forces. Little is known about the drone as Russia has not disclosed information about the device, though several of them have been shot down by the Ukrainian forces. After being shot down, Ukrainian forces discovered that the drone typically features 12 camera lenses and is designed to help the Russian military create terrain plans. A surveillance drone, it is unknown just how many of the devices are currently in use by the Russian military. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.